You built the app, users downloaded it. Now comes the question every founder eventually has to answer. How does this thing actually make money? In 2026, consumers spent $155 billion inside mobile apps. The apps capturing that money aren't the ones with the most downloads. They are the ones with the smartest monetization strategies. Here are the 7 models that are actually working right now. Model 1 is freemium. This is the classic. Free to download, but you unlock the good stuff, and honestly, it's the most popular model in the app economy because it just works. You give users enough value to get hooked, then introduce premium features that feel worth paying for. Think about Spotify. Free version has ads, premium removes friction and adds features. Simple. And the numbers? Massive. Hundreds of millions of users and a huge chunk of them paying. The rule here is simple. Your free tier should be good enough to attract users, but your paid tier needs to be different enough to convert them. Model 2 is subscriptions. This is where things get predictable in a good way. Users pay monthly or yearly and you get recurring revenue. That means compounding lifetime value over time. Now here's something surprising for 2026. Weekly subscriptions are exploding. They now generate over half of all subscription revenue. Why? Lower commitment, faster decisions, higher volume. You'll see this a lot in health, fitness, and productivity apps. If your app builds a daily habit, subscriptions are probably your best bet. Model 3 is in-app purchases. This one's all about optional spending. Users buy things inside the app, virtual goods, extra features, one-time unlocks, whenever they want. Gaming absolutely dominates here, bringing in tons of billions in revenue. But it's not just games. Think premium filters, extra lessons, more storage, all of that counts. The key idea? Every purchase should feel like a shortcut to something the user already wants, not a paywall blocking something they thought they already had. Model 4 is in-app advertising. This is huge, like hundreds of billions huge. If your app has a lot of daily users and frequent sessions, ads can become a serious revenue stream. But here's where most apps mess up. The type of ad matters. Rewarded ads, where users choose to watch in exchange for something valuable, perform way better than random banners or pop-ups. Bad ads kill your retention. Good ads actually support your growth. Model 5 is paid downloads. The simplest model out there. User pays once, downloads the app, done. No ads, no subscriptions, no upsells. This works best for apps with clear immediate value like productivity tools or niche utilities. But let's be real, it's becoming rare. Very few top apps rely only on this model today. So use it only if your value is obvious before user even opens the app. Model 6 is marketplace commission. This is where you take a cut of transactions happening on your platform. Think Uber, Airbnb, Etsy. You earn when your users earn. That alignment is powerful and it scales really well. The bigger your marketplace gets, the more revenue you generate without constantly selling to users. The challenge? You need both supply and demand at scale before this really takes off. Model 7 is AI-powered premium tier. This is the fastest growing model right now. You lock your most powerful AI features behind a premium tier and price it higher than your regular plans. Duolingo did this brilliantly with its AI features, making their standard plan look more affordable in comparison. And then you have got ChatGPT pulling in massive revenue from premium AI subscriptions. The big shift here is this. AI isn't just a feature anymore, it's a whole new pricing tier. So yeah, those are the 7 models, and in reality, the most successful apps don't just pick one. They combine 2 or 3 of these to maximize revenue. The real question is which combination fits your app the best. The right monetization strategy doesn't happen after you build your app. It gets engineered into it from day one. That's exactly what Apptunix does. Apptunix built apps with monetization architecture baked in, from paywall design and subscription logics to in-app purchase flows, AI tier gating, and marketplace commission systems. They don't just ship your app, they build the revenue engine inside it. So visit the link in description below and book your free consultation with us.